I applied some sealer there on the top of the block there. Just go around the hole and let her dry there for a minute, and we'll install the cover here. The next operation then we'll cover on, we'll change the time belt. We'll put a new time belt on it, so that's our next operation. So we line up all these studs here before we tighten, and have to reassemble, reattach the cam sensor here. And it's your next operation. Finally. Tighten from the center out. Just there into a low setting air tool, and then just checking my hand. And I have exhaust back on there now, and water pipes on there. Plugs plugged in there, little bracket run back here, and the camshaft position sensor plug on there. Plug that in. So I have a few pipes going here now, and we've tightened in this under rocker box there, cover, and next operation then we'll replace the cam belt. So we'll assemble everything up first, and then we'll do the cam belt last, and that's our next step. Now we're taking up the two 8mm studs here. Now install the two cam wheels here, make sure you don't mix them up. This one was just more paint on here just to keep this exhaust side here, so the exhaust goes to inlet. Get onto our dial here. That's our next step. Then we'll set up the timing. We'll put the belt on here. We get her together, then we get her started up, and then when we're finished, we'll change the cam belt here. This is the inlet side. Up in here. Push your home. You better lock tight on the studs there and tighten them up. That's it. Next step. Now have our cam belt on again. Just swing it around here. by hand. Make sure that it's just timed right. And check all the timers line up. Spot on there. Spot on at the bottom. We'll check the tension. We've relocked our lock up our 10mm bolt there on the tensioner. And next operation, you'll just take the spark plugs from the coil pack and give it a wee go. That's our next operation. Now I'm just taking up our coil pack here, all the plugs in here. And pushing like this, so just taking our last screw here. Just pop our wire back into this here. Next step now come the camshaft cover here, the timing cover, and check your timing. Locked up the two studs here, double check them, and set up the times up to the marks there. Mark at the bottom there and the two marks here, and make sure that the exhaust was on the little dial, the EX, and the IN was on the little dial on this side. So two little dials, and we'll mix it up and crank your engine by hand. Do not turn the key when you're doing a time belt or changing camshafts or anything like that. Make sure they're timed right. So our next operation now, cover on, and we'll fill up with coolant, and we'll give it a wee go. That's our next operation. Now let's get taking our screws in your cover here. Last one. Pop the bottle back into place. Next step. Now I've changed the oil filter here now and fill the coolant with water and a wee bit of radiator flush. And I'll give her a wee go there next to the go starts there. There she goes. Now, we test drive her now and we'll give her a wee push it from the rear, push in the bottle here. We'll push up the system, and we'll drain her and then refill the coolant. And then we'll change the new cam belts on it. Once we test her, and that's the next operation will be over. 16 valve